Well, you're pretty, but...
Oh, dude, that was fire. Alrighty guys, we are out here on Island Lake in Grand Mesa. Haven't even gotten my camera gear set up. Already got a brook trout on. Beautiful fish. I've never caught a brookie through the ice. So that is actually really cool. And I think this guy's gonna come home with me. So sick. That's a good bro. Oh my god. I'm freaking on him, man. Hold that fish up. Pretty wicked colors, but ugly-ish kind of fish. Back in the hole.
Nobody wants it?
Nope. Ew. We are literally 7 minutes into fishing. 3 fish on the ice, and Aaron still hasn't dropped down. Wow, that's gorgeous. Heck yeah. Nice work, man. Sweet.
Rookie. Been reeling up a touch. Down. This is awesome, man. You want this one? There's a mess of fish down there, dude. It's insane. Got him. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, yeah. No, he's bit it. Oh, yep. On the drop.
Not even that deep.
Look at that fish. So pretty. Oh my god, I love them. Wow, they're beautiful, man. Yes, 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 yes. Dude, that's a big one.
It's a nice bow.
Oh, it's a bow, okay.
Oh, it's a bow.
Show it to the camera.
Am I like in a good frame? Yep. Okay. So this is a classic example of turtle in the hair, right? Slower gets the bigger fish.
Dude, come look at this. Come look at my screen real quick before you get comfy.
Yep. I can. I'm looking at your massive fish you've got.
Yeah, that's a good one, dude. What? First rainbow of the day. Now have 2 brookies and a rainbow. That's actually got some pretty colors on that one. That's a gorgeous fish.
I like that.
You got him.
On the way down.
I chucked them over in the snow.
You should have this all the same.
I didn't even know you were on, dude. That's a good one.
He's so patient, and of course, that's what's happening.
Nice fish.
And I'm not taking them when they come for it.
You're supposed to go down.
He wants to swim in the hole. No, that's a fish. That's a fish. That's probably rainbows cruising. Oh, there we go. That was a good bite. Hey, that's a nice one.
I got a few around here somewhere.
Please
Check the tackle box.
fish.
Should be it's black, so it's gonna hide right in there.
There we go.
Doubled up. Oh, we gotta hold both of them up for the camera.
It's a double rainbow. Is it a triple rainbow?
We triple?
Oh, it's a brook.
Still, dude, come here. Bring it over here. Heck yeah, tripled up. The fishing is non-stop.
I might still on the pole.
Alright. Back you go. You do.
Alright, you just boom.
I'm gonna keep this one. For all the cool kids out apparently.
Yes.
Except that one.
Look at the bend. Look at the bend. Get in here.
Oh, come on.
Yeah, baby. Uh-oh.
That's a nice rainbow.
I've hooked myself. And there he goes.
Quick release.
Perfect. Love it.
I think you turned me on to this frequency thing.
What do you mean?
Like when I first ice fished with Justin.
You did the flasher?
Yeah, I like the flasher, but I don't know. I'm kind of liking this frequency now.
Frequency's where it's at for sure. You're on one? Oh my god, it's a good one.
Please keep that one for me.
Dude, yeah, keep that fish. Oh, I'm on too. Another rainbow. Oh, okay. Okay.
Is it?
That's a splake.
Are you sure? So, splake.
I think that might be a splake.
Get it in the
Pretty
sun so you can
fish.
get the picture. We can really ID it later.
Yeah, so this might be a splake, guys. We're not positive. Also, could
We
be a
ain't
rookie.
fish biologists, are we?
No, we're fish technicians.
That's right.
Yeah. It looked like it fought better too.
Yeah.
Oh, all the fish right now are at 5 feet under the ice. You got it all.
That's it.
I'm pretty sure. Oh my god, there's a whole school. Dude, drop to like 10 feet. Yeah, for sure. Hey, you never know how big that rainbow is going to be that's sitting in that group though. If it smell. Yeah, it's not great. Yes. Dude. Freaking on them.
I don't even know what I'm at.
You're double digits now for sure. Yeah? Oh! Hold up. Nice. Wait. Rainbow, yeah. Okay. He'll figure it out.
Well, the whole thing.
Oh, I got hit. Look at that. Got a fish on.
I did just accidentally delete it. I reset my Chrome on my phone.
There we go. Well, did you have like a download from Chrome?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm looking. I looked there.
Okay.
I'm so happy. Oh, this is fantastic. This is the best day ever.
Some of the better days I've had ice fishing for sure.
Yeah. Oh, he's a little snub nose.
The last three have not had a worm on it.
This one didn't have a worm on it. Dude, this is so stupid.
18. Oh,
18?
Big hit too.
I saw that.
18.
18.
It's kind of nice seeing a not like chromed out
wow.
bow. It's real dark. I like it. And he's happy to see me. Look at that.
Yeah, they're melting. Nice fish, dude.
Thank you. Partial.
That one that's following me up real slow. Mike is freaking crushing it. Ooh.
It's pretty.
Wait, what?
Using all that fancy stuff.
Nah, I'd call that probably about, oh, there we go.
19?
Yeah. No, probably 18. Oh, is it one? Is it one?
Get it?
That might be the splake. Might be a splake. Beautiful little fish. So gorgeous. Oh my god, there's so many fish below us. Wow. The cool thing about this thing is the app saves. Oh yes. Little guy.
Yeah.
Oh wait.
Oh.
Side of the fight. Nice.
That's pretty.
Yeah. That was easy.
I'm not even their number.
The number of lines that I'm seeing on the screen.
This is your thick line.
Come look at my screen right now. You probably got to play with the settings. Oh, dude. That's a toad.
Nice. That's a nice chroma.
That was on the way down.
This is good fun.
There you go.
Yeah, that was a good hit. Oh, digging. Look at that. I think he might have swam in your line. Nope, never mind. He had a couple good digs in him. Look at that, guys. Just smashing. Oh, in the background. Let's go. Wait. Brookie? Yeah, nice. Heck yeah. And this is all I'm using right now. I was using a little riprap thing, but just this tungsten jig, tiny little wax worm, and a little tail. It's doing the work. Oh! Oh!
You did the same thing I did?
I just backlashed so hard on a fish.
No. That's what I did. I think it was on that fish.
Well, it was on the drop. He hit it really hard, so I tried to catch up and reel. I just blew it up. You got one? Dude. Oh, I have a fish on. Oh, dude, it's been a confusing day, okay? I'm backlashed. Oh, wait, what is that? Stop. Stop. Oh, it's a brookie. Hand lined him in. Oh, this is madness. Yeah, literally non-stop. Our biggest lull's been probably 4 or 5 minutes. Oh, there we go. Right as I was setting up the camera.
Oh my god, the size of the school is insane.
Keep down. Oh, splash the camera. Uh-oh. Oh, there we go.
That's cool, huh?
Yeah, I was, well, then I'll catch a big one. Whoa.
That one?
Skinny, but he's so cool looking. Right at the hole. Prettiest brookie of the day for sure. Got some really nice blue around the red spots. Gonna get him back in. Woo! Heck yeah.
Man's hammering something over there.
We're just all flustered. I do think brook trout are absolutely gorgeous, but there's some cutties that it's like tough to compete with.
I mean, my favorite fish.
Whoa! Oh, holy crap!
Brookie too?
That's the big one that I saw down there. That thing's huge.
It's a really nice. Oh, this is a brookie.
Beautiful fish.
It's got a crooked tail.
I'm keeping this guy. That's gonna be my last one I keep. These rods are also like really not good rods. They're about the cheapest. They're about the cheapest rod you can get.
Working great for me.
Yeah. I mean, they do the job. Oh! Dude, I'm on the mega school. Look at that. That's a toad. Let's see if I can get close up on it. Gorgeous, dude. Oh my god. I love these fish. Gorgeous brook trout out here. Caught about 30 of them so far. It's insane today. See you, dude. Oh, you don't want to go. Go down. Go down. Go on. Okay. Bye-bye. See ya.
As long as I got one of those. You say no? Whoa!
Oh, it was one of the floater rainbows. I was trying to get to the bottom. I kept trying to let line on it. It wouldn't go. Oh, dude, that was fire. That was fire. Oh my god. That was so cool. That's a nice one. Real nice fish.
Sean.
I'm gonna say not.
Ow! 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 Ow!
Oh my god! Whoa. Aaron's got an absolute swamp donkey. Got the ice fish over here. Alright, let me get on the sun side.
Birdie, go! Look at him! Oh, so dark, tall stranger.
Turn him
Look
a
at
little
this.
more forward. Yeah, yeah, there you go. That's nice.
Look at him. Okay. Not the most graceful, but you know.
No, they're kind of stupid, so.
They're not all 10s.
Oh no, dude. Honestly, you deserved the win today. I can't even be mad. Fish don't lie. It's like ball don't lie. Yes.
Just hand lining
Look
it,
at the
peeling it,
colors.
hand lining. It's like, no,
On this fish.
that's what the real.
Freaking gorgeous. So pretty. There we go. Yes! The final fish. Let's go. There's Mike. Okay. But this was like a way closer spot, and we caught a piss load more fish than we probably would have. It's gotta be it. That's a big one. Woo! It's that same pretty rainbow. Oh no. I mean, just look at how cool the spots are on them. Last fish of the day, guys. Calling it. Oh, I mean, sorry, dude.
Good. The reason I'm like, you know what, Mike?
No, my poles are really cheap. They're crappy.
Mine is, I think it's a real one.